Please do subscribe LPG channel and press bell icon for more educational videos. Hello children, welcomes you. Let's learn, play and grow. Let's see what is behind the curtain. Rhyming words. Earlier we had a video on rhyming words. To check, please click on I button or in description box. Let's start. E.T. rhyming words. J-E-T jet. N-E-T net. P-E-T pet. J-E-T jet. N-E-T net. P-E-T pet. Jet, net, pet. Jet, net, pet. E-N rhyming words. H-E-N hen. T-E-N ten. P-E-N pen. Hen, ten, pen. Hen, ten, pen. Hen, ten, pen. E.G. rhyming words. R-E-D red. B-E-D bed. F-E-D fed. Red, bed, fed. Red bed fed. Red bed fed. E.G. rhyming words. L-E-G leg. V-E-G wedge. P-E-G peg. Leg, wedge, peg. Leg, wedge, peg. Leg, wedge, peg. E-A rhyming words. S-E-A-C. T-E-A-T. P-E-A-P. C-T-P. 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 To learn, must repeat the video. To stay connected for more videos, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon and share the videos with your friends, family and colleagues. Check out our other videos. Love you. Bye bye. Take care.